The material in their hands looks delicate, simple and unassuming. But for Giovanni Fili and Henrik Lindström, it's something of huge importance. They want to change the world with it. This foil converts light energy into electrical energy. Indoors, outdoors, in the shade, when it's raining, the whole time. If we dress up the whole world with it, we'll have a green revolution. If we integrate the foil into mobile electronic devices, for instance, they can recharge again and again, all by themselves. Powerfoil, that's the name of the product that the two Swedish inventors manufacture in their industrial company Exeger in Stockholm. An ultra-thin and flexible solar cell material. It is inspired by a mechanism that has kept life on Earth going for billions of years: photosynthesis. Key to this process are dyes, such as the green chlorophyll found in leaves and needles. Plants use it to transform sunlight into the energy they need to survive. Powerfoil also contains a dye that converts light energy into electrical energy. It doesn't use the expensive silicon that generates electricity in most solar cells today. Put simply, a conventional dye-sensitized solar cell works like this. Sunlight meets a light-sensitive dye, which then releases electrons. These are collected by another material, an electron scavenger. At the same time, negative charges migrate from an electrolyte into the dye and regenerate it. Connected to two electrodes, the system generates electricity. It's an ingenious principle that's been known for around 50 years, but it's only now been made available on an industrial scale by Exeger. The dye-sensitized solar cell was invented in the late 1980s by the famous Swiss chemist Michael Grätzel. This technology was pioneering at the time. But there were aesthetic issues, and the cell was also very expensive. The degree of efficiency was very good for that time, but there was still room for improvement. All of that made it difficult to successfully commercialize the technology. Giovanni Fili and Henrik Lindström were on a flight to Germany when Giovanni bombarded Henrik with questions which triggered Henrik to connect dots that were dormant in his mind. These ideas were then jotted down on a napkin. Lindström simply rearranges the layers of the dye-sensitized solar cell. The light-sensitive dye is now on the outside and is exposed to far more light. The chemist also finds replacements for the expensive electrodes and contacts. What's more, the new electrode material can conduct electricity around 1,000 times better. And something else was important for the new solar cell: an entirely new substrate. This substrate, on which we apply the layers, lies at the center of the cell. We print plus and minus contacts on each side, respectively. It's a very lightweight solar cell. All the active layers are here on this paper. During production, the active materials of the solar cell are liquid at first. That makes application very easy. They're printed on layer by layer. Despite its low weight, the substrate itself is very stable. It is chemically inert and highly heat resistant, important during the production process. The method is simple, highly efficient, and so far, unique.
We can print
the cells in any shape. The surfaces can look and feel like leather, brushed steel or wood.
De här egenskaperna
These
ger
properties
oss
give us a unique position in the
en
market.
unik position på marknaden.
Nobody can compete with us at the
Idag
moment.
finns det ingen som kan konkurrera
And we owe
med oss.
that to our
Det som har
powerful
gjort att vi
patents.
har kommit till den här positionen är våra starka patent.
Powerfoil converts clean energy into clean power. It is produced using abundant materials and can be integrated into almost any product for a seamless experience. No other solar cell can do that. For the first time, it's now being used in mobile entertainment electronics, in headphones, e-readers, and other devices.
Konsumentelektronikmarknaden.
Entertainment electronics have a big impact on the environment.
2017
In 2017, in the US, the small devices consumed 143 terawatt-hours of electricity. That's the amount that all of Sweden consumed in the same year.
energi som Sverige gjorde av med som nation samma år.
Powerfoil has the potential to drastically reduce electricity consumption worldwide. The first product that was launched in early 2021 is an intelligent bicycle helmet with sensor technology. And the company has announced plans to build a new plant, 10 times larger than the existing one, also located in Stockholm. It's a world-changing vision come true.